Make sure you stay until the end, guys. We'll share common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in damages. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Escape this generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the radio fuses are located, which two fuses you need to check for the radio, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, and why it's important to always test fuses and relays, all that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. If you have that generation Ford Escape from year 2013 to 2019, this specifically is pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version. There will be some minor differences, we'll talk about that, but we'll make a video about every single possible fuse, relay, why we do that. Let's say guys, you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where the fuse for fuel pump or engine starter is located, or relay for radiator fan. You can just search that on our channel, watch the video for less than 1 or 2 minutes, find out where it is, replace it in your back on the road. We do that to save you money guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And we guys have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels as well that can save you more than thousands of dollars in future repairs. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, we will share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So the radio fuse is where you can expect to find, and we'll demonstrate on that generation Ford Escape. This is the pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version. Practically that's the same generation, this one is just been refreshed a little bit to look better on the outside. Now, you guys have 3 different fuse boxes in that generation Ford Escape, and today for the radio guys, okay, we're going to work in just one. Open the passenger door. Once you do that, you will see that's a glove box. Underneath it, all the way on the bottom of the glove box, you have one carpet liner, soft liner, that attaches with 2 black turning knobs. Remove them. Remove that carpet liner. You will get to the interior fuse box that will look like this one. Before we continue, let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here guys, what you need to check for the radio fuses. There will be 2 fuses that we need to check. The fuse numbers will be listed guys, okay, next to the fuse number on the top right corner. You can see you have the fuse numbers, that makes it really convenient. The first fuse that you need to check for the radio guys specifically, okay, will be fuse number 79. So that 15 amp fuse right here will need to be checked. Then you have one more that you need to check, and this is known as fuse number 81 guys, okay. You wonder where it's that fuse right here, that 5 amp fuse. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.